Hi, I'm Neil, and welcome to Wise Guides, where we give your team our best practices so you can get the most out of using SiteOwl. It is extremely important that when a design bid is won or a project is ready to be executed, that all stakeholders are on the same page. This includes verifying the scope of work, including the parts and tasks, and making sure everyone understands their involvement in the project. So in today's video, we will be exploring how we can use SiteOwl to complete the design to installation handoff. In this video, I'm using this first project as an example of an installation project that's ready to be executed. Before I push this to installation, the first thing I might want to do, and you're going to repeat this step per plan, is verify all the devices that are on the plan and all the tasks that are on the plan are in the correct location. Once I do this and make sure everything is in the correct location, I then want to make sure all my coverage areas for cameras and wireless access points are true to what they represent out in the field, and all my connections are routed to the correct place. Once I do this, I can then verify the parts to make sure I'm not only ordering the correct parts, but my personnel involved know how to install the parts that are given. So I can click through the parts list and click on the parts, and this will give me an idea of what parts I'll be executing, and more importantly, what I need to make sure I have with me when going out to the field. As you can see here, some of the parts may not have part numbers, and this may be your cue to go back and actually update these part numbers so that you have a true scope of work. Once you've verified the parts, you then want to make sure you've resolved all flags for the project. So making sure you go back and clicking on the flags here. So if for whatever reason you can click through each of the devices and check to see what the flag note is. Making sure you resolve all flags prior to installation will help your install teams not run into any future problems, but more importantly, you can get ahead of them prior to getting out to site. And then lastly, we want to confirm all the users that are in this project, field teams, to make sure that they're correctly in the correct project and they can view it. You'll also want to make sure they can view this project on their mobile device prior to coming on site. Lastly, you're going to want to make sure there are flag recipient notification. Once you've done this, you're now ready to push your project to installation because all your stakeholders have been added to the project. They've been able to verify the scope of work and the parts, and more importantly, they're aligned on what they need to do prior to getting onto site. This was a SiteOwl Wise Guides video series where we explore SiteOwl best practices. Thank you for joining us.